Okay, so now we're gonna get the length of the neck, right? Because we have enough measurement here to figure out the length of the neck. So the length of the neck goes from the chin to the jugular fossa. See where the sternocleidomastoid mastoid converge here, right? So we have this here, right? And then we compare it with this, and it's just above the tip of the nose, which I speculate is here. So I take this and I block it down here. So that's the neck, right? So we also see how, in this case, the body is turned slightly this way and the head is facing me straight. So meaning that this is not going to be center, it's not going to be in the middle, it's going to be slightly to the right, right? I'm looking at this, I eyeball this, and now that's where the sternocleidomastoid goes here and here. And that's the clavicle going down this way, and this goes up this way. This is now the width of the neck is here, and this is here. So I chose a photograph that is not too clear because we want to also practice identifying these things even when they are not clear, right? So this is, all the measurements are easy to find or can be accessible, but they give you a little bit of a resistance, right? You have to put up a little bit of a fight, right, to get them right, which is always a good practice, right? Right. So it tests your knowledge or makes you think in terms of resolving problem, extrapolating information when you don't have a very clear access to them, right? All right.